We often hear claims that there must be other intelligent life out there in the universe, but where are they? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how many alien civilizations are watching us? It turns out scientists have put a lot of thought into this. One scientist in particular has captured the question in an often repeated phrase. Where are they? This is the Fermi Paradox, named for physicist Enrico Fermi. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. There's a pretty big assumption hidden inside that question. To assume there are other civilizations out there, we have to assume that life can evolve multiple times to become intelligent. Not to mention the fact that we do want to even know for sure if life elsewhere is even possible. But for the sake of a fun movie and a thought experiment, let's play along. Let us assume that life does arise independently elsewhere in the universe, and that it evolves intelligence like humans or further. The question still stands. Where are they? If there are so many stars out there, each with the potential to host multiple planets with life, you would think that we would have found some kind of evidence of some sort of life already, right? Well, yes, we have found some evidence of life, just not intelligent life. In 2014, scientists discovered a totally valid reason why we haven't detected any alien civilizations yet. We're listening for the wrong stuff. When searching for signals from space, scientists tend to focus on radio waves, which makes sense because that's how we communicate on Earth. And we know that most of the light reaching us from distant stars is too far outside the range of visible light for us to detect anyway. But what if advanced civilizations out there don't use radio waves at all? What if they've developed some other means of communication that we haven't considered? In 2018, scientists found another possible explanation for Fermi's paradox. Maybe we're looking at the night sky from the wrong perspective. If we imagine a flat desert and a campfire in the middle of it, anyone standing around that fire can only see a small portion of the total desert around them. If you wanted to find someone else around that fire, you'd have to get up from your seat and start walking. If you came across another person, great. But if you didn't, then you might think the desert was empty. That's essentially how we're looking for alien life. We're only seeing a tiny slice of the night sky at any one time. So maybe there are tons of alien civilizations out there, but we just don't happen to be looking at their campfire right now. But there are more reasons scientists pose the Fermi Paradox. Take the Great Filter, for example. Maybe there is some barrier to advancing, some really tough challenge that prevents species from becoming like us or further. Maybe the very thing that allows a civilization to advance, say, technology, eventually destroys them before they can get off their desert rock. Or maybe it's something we haven't thought of yet. In 2021, scientists came up with another possible solution to Fermi's paradox. What if life doesn't arise independently at all? What if there's some unknown mechanism that brings about intelligence in living things across the universe? And if that's the case, then we're all part of the same thing. We're all related. Maybe we're part of some great filter that keeps things from getting too crazy out there. Just a little friendly neighborhood symbiotic bacteria keeping things chill. So where are they? Maybe they out there waving at us from distant star systems, or maybe they never became technological, or maybe we the ones who never will. Who knows? All of these ideas are exciting because they make us think differently about the universe and our place in it. Fermi's paradox isn't just a fun thought experiment. It pushes us to consider how we explore our world and the challenges that come with exploring beyond our world. Maybe the answer lies in a different way of thinking, a different way of looking. After all, when we look to the past, we see an ever-changing universe with new things arising from the old. So, who knows what the future will bring? At Minute Earth, we love exploring the universe and all its phenomena, including dark matter. And thank you for being subscribers to this channel.